guys, my name is Marina and in this video we're gonna do Bachata Ladies Styling. So let's get started. And we will start, of course, with the basic steps. Step on your left and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then from here we'll do half a basic, 1, 2, 3, and then on 4 you're gonna bring your left arm up. Then we'll do right turn and we'll switch the hands. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't worry, the first time I'm doing, for now, just focus on your footwork. So I'll do facing the wall. Yes, and I'm sorry one more time, this is a quarantine time, so I don't have a studio available right now, so I don't have a mirror, so I'll try my best. So for now, just focus on your footwork and then I'll do face to you, and then I'll show you what's happening exactly with the hands. So let's catch up with the half a basic and hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then just a simple right turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then from here you'll stay on your right leg, and then you'll do just half a circle with your hips. 1, 2, 3, and then on 4. Shift your weight to your left. 4, then tap 5, 6, 7, and just a hip, and 8. Then we're gonna go forward and you'll step on your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're doing right turn to the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap and slide, then little round. 5, 6, tap, 7 and 8. We're doing a half a turn. 1, 2, 3, and just a hip, and 4. Then from here you're gonna step to the diagonal on your right. 5, 6, 7, 8, and basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Turn to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I'll face you and I'll try to be your mirror. So it's gonna be a little bit easier to copy everything. So I will step on my right, but you're gonna travel to your left. So you're doing exactly what you did before, but I'll try to be a mirror right now. So you'll do one basic, step on your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Half a basic, and then on 3, your left hand will go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then while you do the turn, you will switch hands this way. So you were here, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try with the turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want, while you switch in your hands, you can do like little circle with your wrist, if you want. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And that was 5, 6, 7. That was my bad. Okay, then from here, you're gonna step on your left and you will push your hips to the back. Then you're gonna brush your hair by your right hand. I'm trying. And then your left hand will go to the side. So go 1, 2, then 3, switch, 4. Tap to the side. 5, 6, feet together. 7, but on 7 you're not gonna put your heel down, it's just a little tap, and then just hip up. And 8. Then you travel forward, you step on your left, and your hands will go all the way up. Step on your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here, you're gonna brush your hair and bring your hands down, and you will turn back to your right shoulder. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then from here you do tap and slide, and your hand will go behind your neck and forward. So 1, 2, slide 3, 4. Then you're doing like a little ronde, 5, and shift your weight to your right. I'm trying my best. 3, 4. No, that was 5, 6. Tap 7 and 8. Then you will turn to the diagonal. It's not a turn, it's a half a turn. 1, 2. Then on 3 you will step on your left and sit. 3 and 4. One more time. You go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then you step on your right with the hand. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, step, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's try it with music.
So kiss me like you never have before. Who cares if anyone sees? Kiss me like we own this floor. Kiss me while my body moves with yours. Tonight ending's nowhere near. You're my desire, give me more. Let's take a ride. Nobody has to know where to. Just you and I. Let's keep the secret for us two. I'm lost in you. I'm lost and I can't get away from you. I'm lost in you. Even found I was so.
Good job. I hope you like it. So if you're new here, subscribe, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye bye.